Okay, so session 1, big idea. We're learning about place value, and basically every single number is either getting larger by a multiple of 10 or getting smaller by a multiple of 10. The first thing that students need to understand right here is that when everything is shaded, that's equal to 1. And when one entire column is shaded, that's a tenth. And then squares are 1/100th. So we definitely want to push and make sure they're saying the numbers correctly, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and also understanding that those can be written as fractions, which we'll get into on the next page. So for this chart, as you go up the chart, numbers are getting bigger by multiples of 10. So 100 times 10 would be 1,000. And as you go down the chart, they're getting smaller by multiples of 10. So 100th divided by 10 would be 1,000th. This is a really big idea for students to understand, that the more decimal places after the decimal point, numbers are getting smaller. So this is smaller than this. That's just because it's more digits. That might be a misconception that they have. They might think the opposite. So just to make sure we stamp it, the position of the 1, it's getting bigger by a power of 10 each time. So it keeps moving to the left. Okay? So as it's getting bigger, that 1 keeps moving to the left because it's going up in place value. And as it gets smaller, it's moving to the right. So the numbers keep getting smaller as that 1 moves to the right. And then number 8, this is a big idea also, understanding that dividing by 10 and finding 1/10 are the same thing. So to complete this, and this is why it's really important to say numbers correctly, because 1,000th is 1/10 of 100. So we would write it 1/10 of, and then 100th is 10 times 1,000th. 10 times. It's bigger, remember? Fewer digits, but it's a bigger number because it's getting closer to 1, right? Because this is 100th and this is 1,000th. So this number is further away from 1. So I would use this last page as the exit ticket. It's a way for them to show what they've mastered. They should be able to complete this chart. 100 is 1/10 of 1,000. 10 is 1/10 of 100, and 1 is 1/10 of 10. Same down here. They should be able to complete this. And then the big one is number 5. Looking at your sentences in problems 3 and 4, explain how the value of each place compares to the value of the place to its left. So we're only talking about to the left. So numbers are bigger on the left. So they should understand that they are 1/10 of the place value of the numbers to the left. So 100 is a tenth, right? So if they look at this first box, it's literally telling them the answer right there. And this is telling them the answer right there. So writing it out in words is just a way for you to know, like, did they really internalize this lesson and understand that numbers are getting bigger by a power of 10 or getting smaller by a power of 10 or a tenth?